Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this tutorial let me show you how you can close links on your iPhone. It kind of depends on what you specifically mean by that, because for example you might be using an app and click on a link. So let me give you one practical example. Like a lot of people search for things using ChatGPT, for example, and when you look for something, like I'm asking for some kind of like example of websites, well, you can click on the actual like links in here and it's going to open it up within the app. And if you want to close that type of link, then you can just hit the X button, which shows up in this kind of like card which slides up from the bottom, right? So you can see there is the X button in the top left corner. You can click it and you essentially close the link, right? So that's kind of how it works in this example, right? As you can see, if it thinks that the link isn't safe, then it asks you to confirm it. So let me just click on open, but as you can tell, you can as well close it with the X button right there. But there are different instances of the links being open on your device. For example, if somebody shares some sort of link with you, like this Google website, you can tap on it, but it's actually going to redirect you to the web browser of your choice. So in my case, it is the Safari. And if you want to stop this, then you can, of course, just close it as a tab within the Safari web browser, right? So that's a little bit of a different thing, but I guess I have to mention it as well. If you have some other thoughts about this, then let me know in the comments. If you have any follow-up question, you can also leave it there as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next uploads.